Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make and can homemade salsa using an easy method. First, you'll want to select the freshest, ripest produce available, like juicy tomatoes, crisp onions, and flavorful peppers. Next, we'll prepare our canning equipment, ensuring everything is clean and ready for the process. Finally, we'll walk through a simple, tested recipe that guarantees a safe and incredibly tasty salsa you can enjoy all year long. It's a rewarding project. Now, let's get our ingredients ready. Begin by thoroughly washing all your produce under cool running water. Then, carefully chop your tomatoes, onions, and peppers into small, uniform pieces, about 1/4 to 1/2 inch in size. Remember to remove the seeds and membranes from your peppers if you prefer a milder salsa. Precision is key here, so measure everything accurately to ensure a balanced flavor and proper acidity for safe canning. With your ingredients prepped, it's time to cook. Combine everything in a large pot and bring it to a gentle simmer, allowing it to cook for at least 10 minutes. This helps the flavors meld beautifully. Next, carefully ladle the hot salsa into your sterilized canning jars, making sure to leave exactly 1/2 inch of headspace at the top. Wipe the rims clean, apply the lids, and process the jars in a boiling water canner for 15 minutes. After processing, carefully remove the hot jars from the canner and place them on a towel-lined counter to cool undisturbed. Let them sit for at least 12 to 24 hours. Once completely cool, check each jar for proper seal by pressing down on the center of the lid. It should not flex. Any unsealed jars should be refrigerated and consumed within 1 week. Store your perfectly sealed homemade salsa in a cool, dark pantry for up to 1 year.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.